ya Equity. Kila litkoria Jumanne imeyomo chobo songo omubagani o Capital Irongo litangani room 117. Naboko kwana na barabo gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0722 300 630 gose 0788 313 910. Pure Health Natural Herbs Clinic. Your health is our priority.
Garnet Electronics nikoba koletere eofa yili gulidi kusamura asabako koneli chiuva chifridge chitibika tibintu binde aseli gudi lyansekegima nikoba konya ebintu buna bono chi vacuum cleaner chiri choko tumeka sinka na boygo ni chire choko kolda obonchirya mbabwata chifridge chi bathroom scale chi cooker chi coil amone chi birika chiri choko tumeka estima chi microwave washing machines, chi TV, chi Hoover, chi vasi, chi dispenser, mbabwate bibarabara biribyugo yani fans, deep fryer, blenders, chi heater, table burners, nebintu binde byugo tumeke stima buna bono, TV guard, wall brackets, chi remote, chi battery, chi inverter, chi socket igatie bintu binde evinge. Boigo, ntubuka tumurubulio oli papole pole, asuwa nchiru wakanere bintu ngorangora, weka wakolide, inyura, asumurubuliga, ama jiko namarago, kubwatiwa. Niko bago tuka meyumo chokisi, asenyombe manyakantabu na Acacia Plaza, ground floor, Garnet Electronics, iye nidu kore igene, ase bintu biri bigutumika estima, ase ligolire nsekegima.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Tariki neyemo yomutinyo gatano na kabere umwaka bwekiri bubere 2024 chinsani sano na ibere cyabona mubaso asenero bere boikiranu akoretera mangana magiyabu na bere kagwateka kora cingongo cyonsi inyicyense nabakwenda gutubwati asinse mu mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net iritarane kerubo Frida nolyo kwaneke bna chibi channel yogira gukira sole asenchire ya bene nere Petra Mukira bakubwatirana nere Melen Wochaberi mwanchumuligelia toskatonyegera ngwire nanda segeke kerbosyo elinde ngubanyamange asenchira yobwinge. Mancho murigereri yangu kwaligani bene ilinde topetogo sanga sobwamo gochakabona igago ika omwelyo ama yaye brebigani gotoka chakakorwa sorogongorwa gusi asengo kumenyabuna nigo serikali yaboli gotumika ebango yego sangirire korwa saba Kenya kwene kebunango ikirane bale amagendero ase chinsemo okwana ase omoyega bogosira ekanisa ase amagacho nigo mubunge okitutu cha South Anthony Kibagendi aberega koli irayo gochikobwaterana na Bible nabo igokweneke buna obeire kagosira chiseme.
Sisi tunaomba kanisa liweze kusimama, liweze kuombea nchi hii, tuweze kuwa na mafikira mazuri, tuweze kubadilisha uongozi wa nchi hii. Ushuru wetu unafaa kuandika watoto wetu katika mahospitali, wawe walimu, wawe engineers. Kazi hizo zimekosa. Tufungue industries ziweze kusaidia watu wetu. President anasukuma, unapata anachukua mtu mmoja anatengeneza simiti na chuma, anamweka kwa mfuko, huyo ndio ajenda yake, anasukuma, anakanyagia wanabiashara wengine. We sincerely need to transform our country. Na mimi nashukuru wananchi, ile pressure mliweka hata kama ni kwa Facebook, kwa Instagram, kwa X ama Twitter, na wale waliweza kuondoka kwa maandamano, tunawashukuru sana. Nyinyi ndio mlifanya president huyu Zakayo aweze kufanya nini? Watoto najua wanaenda university mwezi wa 8, mwezi wa 9, the new entrance. Ninaomba wazazi kwanza tujaribu kuweka application ile ya higher education loans, mtoto aweze kusomeshwa na hiyo loan, na baadaye from January we will start supporting them with a bursary. Na pia kero kule memuona na whatever kero we will try and share with those that are joining the university.
Umuraibe kiama gia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo amuganirie omonogeri w'ebunge nene Moses Wetangula kwene kevuna ngwetigiare emirimo okwana nigo abeire gakomochia Wetangula ase okora ababunge asenchera etabwenereti anene asbabeire bakogenda mamincha nokugania kwa bakenya oigo nigo amochia ababunge ase ogwakera ekura omuswada w'ekibesa bw'omwakoyega.
We set an example by taking disciplinary action against our members of parliament who voted in favor of the repugnant anti-people finance bill 2024. We will remove them from their leadership positions in both the party and in parliament. We urge other Kenyan people-centric parliamentary parties to follow suit and recall all those representatives in the legislature and the executive who have failed you time and time again. Do you sincerely feel you should go and sit in that august house at a time like this? Or is indeed the best thing for you to do? Parliament can perhaps even dissolve itself. I'm asking on Speaker Wetangula to dissolve Parliament, himself resign as a measure of solidarity with the Kenyan people. Perhaps he will save his legacy.
Tinga kecho boigo nigo abarai kurwase chikanisa ao babere bakubulia eserekali kwene kebunango tegerera bale ekirero kyabasaye anena babere bakobeka okurubikana okwana nigo bayenekire kwimukya egetambukero anene kora asensemeliye kanisa anene chinga kibamo kiri abana siasa bagwikirana ase bisasimero nabo igogo kora siasa cyabo nigo babaganiriye ko bachinga kicinyororo ase okogendelia mangana alingete kanisa anena sibali eira chigotene na abakongu nabo igo kwene kebuna ense ya Kenya yabereke goncherelia.
Watu wako huru kuja kanisani, waje waombe vile tumeomba, na wakishamaliza kuomba warudi. Wakiwa wanataka mikutano ya siasa wapeleke soko, na ni vivyo hivyo katika mazishi ambayo tunaenda kuhudhuria, tuende tuomboleze, tuende tuombe na hao, na wakitaka mambo ya siasa na wao warudi nje, ili tusilete aibu. Wakati huu si rahisi.
Let Kenyans see things changing from use of lavish cars, of expenditure in foreign trips, unnecessary and obnoxious per diems for civil servants, bloated staff in the public service, among others. We also ask the President to scrap the illegal and unnecessary office of Chief Administrative Secretaries and personal advisors, which keep gobbling millions of shillings from public coffers. Kenyans wonder why they have to pay all manner of advisors whose interest is their selfish gain. And so, Mr. President, the more you protect these people around you, the more Kenyans will not trust you.
Hababwatani korwa ase biombe bitali bya serikali nigo babere bagwesoke bene nabo igokomochya eserikali aso gutumika chinguru chinyinge anene chinga kichokorobekana nonya nabo nigo bagikilia ogoitwa kwa bantu ababere bagusiria obugima bwabo nabande gotigerwa chingoma chintindi nabo igo abande kobekwa byara nigo baerera sensemende abo babere bakobekwa byara kolinwa obwene bwabo anene ase abawakili babere bakolinwa awochya kwegerera bali babere bakobekwa byara.
So as of last night, that is the 30th of June, 2024, 24 human beings have been killed by police officers, and at least over 361 people have reported several injuries. One of the youngest fatalities is 12-year-old Kennedy Onyango. There have been 627 arrests and 32 abductions. Now, abduction and detention differ from an arrest. Many of those who've been abducted by state officers were not read the charges against them, neither were they booked into a police station. Tens have been held in comunicado and denied access to their families, to legal representation, and to medical assistance.
The last 2 weeks have been stressful for our staff. Medical personnel have come under fire, arrests by state officers, and had their patient lists stolen from mobile emergency centers serving the injured. Lawyers have been denied access to their clients, arrested and intimidated by police officers of the state to drop cases. Journalists covering the protests have had their cameras confiscated, arrested, and beaten in broad daylight. Staff operating helplines and funds set up to support legal representation and medical assistance have faced several experiences.
Abinenchereyemo yokwenyera bali babete bagusiria amagima abo chinga kichokorobekana nigo egati yabasaye babete bagwesokia abo litkoligoro nabo igo gotongya emesma okwana kora stinsemecho nigo babere bakomochya abanyanyimbo ababete bakorasa abasaye abali gokora okorobekana komulembe anene ase okwamerelia e finance bill yo mwako yiga.
Na sisi kama vijana tunalia, Gen Z tunalia, tumepoteza wenzetu, hatukutamani tuweze kujumuika ili tufanye candle lighting, lakini sasa hivi tunafanya candle lighting. Kwa hivyo wabunge, tafadhalini tunawaambia hizi candle tunawasha ni kwa sababu ya makosa yenye mlifanya, na hiyo makosa sisi kama vijana tuta make sure haitarudiwa tena ndani ya nchi yetu. Viongozi wote ambao walitusaliti, hata mkuje mtuombe msamaha sahihi, na hamwezi regesha wale vijana wetu ambao waliaga dunia. Hatutakubali, na 2027 tutawapeleka nyumbani.
Nabaigo abasaye bali ba Gen Z korwa sense meri ya Trans Nzoia nigo babere bakugania ababwatani korwa sekyombekeligya aipoa kuimukelia abanyanyimbo egetambukero ababete bakorasa abasaye chinga kichokorobekana nonya nabo nigo babere bakomochya egekorwa ase omwana bw'emyaka 12 abeteka koraswa amasasi 53 oika agasiria obugima bwaye kulende nigo babere bakwenekebna nigo abasaye bagendeta gwesokia ase okorera obwene bwabo nabwo konekebna ense ya Kenya yabereke gokorerwa amaunchiria asinsemo chinde nigo baganirie ababunge gwikirana ase ebinyoro nabo igoko barokia amagenderali babere bagwikirania.
Alikuwa anaandamana mtoto wa miaka 8 ama alikuwa mwizi umpige risasi 8, so ungempiga moja tuseme ilikuwa accident. Risasi 8. Sisi hatuna shida na polisi. Jua huyo kijana unaua ni kijana ya mtu ambaye ni mtu baba kama wewe, ama ndugu kama wewe, ama mama kama wewe, ama dada kama wewe.
We urge the police also to cooperate and not to harass or use live bullets to the innocent young people who are voicing their issues through peaceful demonstrations, something that is constitutional. To our fallen comrades, may your soul rest in peace.
Figures about the injured youths. We're having the injured youths with whom to corner the numbers. But yesterday, kwa the press briefing, the president, we saw he's not so sure with the figures. Please, let the relevant authority inapeana hizo figures to the president. Wacha kuwe na the right figures. People have been injured innocently. We youths, the innocent youths. In Kitale we're having one who is already in hospital.
If our MPs when you vote yes from Endebess, Kwanza and our women rep, if you want to address us as youths, as Gen Z, we can advise you mkuje kwa community. Talk to us through community. Musikuja mnajificha kwa makanisa, munaunda event kando kando. No, kujeni kwa community mtu address, because first of all you voted yes na area zenyu hakuna maendeleo inaendelea.
Come and tell us what you have done in your ward so far with the allocation you have been given. Come and tell us who got the tenders and if there was any public sensitization on the same. You can't be the MCA and the contractor at the same time.
Mancho murigereria kurwa sorbo tioroni na ikiro moelio wa mangana magia ase birebigal kulinde toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange ne nyara senchira yo wenye enda gutubwatia sense mo chiche mitanda sense mo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sense meri ya YouTube Ndizi TV News sense meri ya website www.ndizitv.net magech kamera soko nikibna ebicha na boigo eliogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene na repetra mukira bakubwatanere melen bochabiri boiga sense mo chiche biorokeli ni gotobeto kubwatanere Lydia Mose na nche Riane Kerobo Frida mwanchi muligeria nkumanyigwa nga gochakira emagoroba ya lero nigo umurubiri umujya kigima orabe kogo chaka oyo kurkwanga omwando igoto basagoskato basakonyegera enda gotengeregeta seni Ndizi TV obona bubwansu uwo mugusi.